ladies and gentlemen, it was our great honor to spend the past few days of workshops and conference with colleagues from different countries and various backgrounds. With your active participation, the conference successfully finished all its sessions, and now we will be ending the closing ceremony. So first, the president of ASCAAD, Dr. Sharif Abdel Mohsen, will be announcing the conference awards. And then we will be listening to the conference recommendations presented by Dr. Osama Omar. And later, the conference chair and dean of the Faculty of Architecture, Beirut Arab University, Professor Ibtihal Yusuf Al-Bastawisi, will state some remarks and conclude the conference. And finally, Dr. Mustafa Al-Ani will provide us on further ASCAAD activities announcement. Thank you all. And Dr. Sharif, the floor is now yours.
Thank you, Hiba. Thank you very much. Now it's all coming to a closing, but we wish to see all of you once more, of course, and in many venues in the future. I think it was a very interesting couple of days, lots of ideas, lots of approaches, very interesting concepts, and out-of-the-box methodologies and innovative technology ideas into architecture. I hope everybody benefited from the conference. It was really a pleasure seeing you all in the metaverse in a way, and due thanks, of course, to the to Beirut Arab University and President Adawi and Professor Ibtihal, the dean. I've really enjoyed working throughout this past year, really, on these common activities, and we look for more collaboration in the future, definitely. And thanks, of course, to the authors, to the keynote speakers, to our sponsors, and to everybody, and to the ASCAAD Board of Directors. It was really a pleasure working with everybody on making this conference a success. Now the time for awards, just to one of the interesting parts of the conference. So we have a couple of awards. Typically, we work on best paper and best presentation awards. The methodology for these is twofold. So for best papers, we rely on the reviewer scores that were in the previous stage of evaluation by our reviewers. We have had an excellent pool of reviewers, international reviewers from all over the world. Basically, we have sought the help of all of our partner CAD sister organizations, Acadia, ICADI, Sigradi, Kadria, and ASCAAD, of course, and from our amazing host, Beirut Arab University, and from the Arab region. And we have about 70 or 72 reviewers for this conference. It was really a pleasure having them all and their insights. And this is really part of what made the quality of the papers that we have at the final stage very interesting, and pushing the limits really and the boundaries of research into computational design. So for the best papers, we depended on the reviewer scores. Typically, we have one best paper, but this year we saw that there was kind of 3 competing papers at the highest level, that they were really equal in terms of all the reviews and the excellent reviews for those. So we are really happy to announce those best papers. For best presentations, we depend on a committee together with our amazing host to look at. So while everybody was presenting, while they were doing their work, we have rapporteurs and amazing scholars and researchers working in the background to kind of analyze the presentations and look at the merits and look at the kind of presentation techniques and best presentation. And they have done this effort, and throughout the last maybe couple of hours compiled everything, and also generated the best presentation based on consultation with all the rapporteurs throughout the 2 days. So allow me to share now the awards for the conference. For best presentation, the paper, A Crypto Twin Framework for the AEC Industry, Enabling Digital Twins with Blockchain Technologies, by Theodore Donas from Robert Gordon University, United Kingdom, David Lombardi, Xian Chaotong, Liverpool University, China, Jiri Vele, Czech Technical University in Prague, Simon Prokop, Czech Technical University in Prague. And excuse me if there's any error with the pronunciation. Congratulations for the best presentation. Now for the 3 paper awards. There is no ranking or no sequence. First paper award, Augmented Masonry Design, a design method using augmented reality AR for customized bricklaying design algorithms, by Yang Song from the School of Architecture, University of Liverpool, Asterios Akatidis, the School of Architecture, University of Liverpool as well, and Richard Cook, also the School of Architecture, University of Liverpool from the UK. Congratulations. And second, Best Paper Award, Mindful Space in Sentences, a data set of virtual emotions for natural language classification, by Han Tu from MIT, and Changfeng Yang from Harvard Graduate School of Design. Congratulations. And last but not least, a pixels-based design approach for parametric thinking in patterning dynamic facades, by Zaki Malassi from Hiko Cole Architects USA. Congratulations to all the winners. Definitely, of course, everybody's a winner in this conference. The outcomes were really amazing, and it really pushed the boundaries for research and innovation in this topic, and specifically into how it engages with this part of the world and with our culture and flavor. And congratulations to everybody, actually, to all the authors who have made it to this stage, and for, of course, the best paper and best presentations. And wish you all the best of luck. It was great meeting you all, and looking forward to collaborations in the future. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Sharif. Hello, everyone. I am Osama Omar. I am Associate Professor of Architectures, and I will show you the recommendation of ASCAAD 2022. As you show in my presentations, the conference of ASCAAD 2022 this year has been hosted by Beirut Arab University between 20 and 13 October. The theme was the hybrid space of metaverse architecture in the age of metaverse opportunity and potentials. The conference was held 6 sub-themes as shown in the presentation: artificial intelligence, information management, and so on. This conference was aimed to explore new opportunity and thoughts around the use of metaverse in architecture practice, research, education, and decision making. This virtual conference include following activity like workshops, keynote lectures, parallel sessions, open discussions, and networking sessions. The below figure illustrates and summarizes the main topics discussed during this conference. First, artificial intelligence. Several presentations explain diverse techniques and methods of artificial intelligence in design process. Second, information management. Other presentation highlight the importance of information management that controls in the hyperspace. Third, metaverse. Most presentation explored using metaverse in architecture practice and has vision around applying it in the architecture education. Last topics is parametric design and digital fabrication. Presentation experienced new application of parametric design and digital fabrication in building skin, furniture, and interior design. The most important point that artificial intelligence has been changing the way we design. Metaverse can be effective tools to solve the design problem, information management control design process using certain criteria, algorithm supporting decisions for design. Citizen can share taking decision in building their city through virtual environments and metaverse. Based on the conclusion of parallel session and keynote speech, the conference proposed the following recommendation directed to 4 categories. These 4 categories is research, practice, architecture education, and decision making. As a research, This conference opened new horizons to conduct research in the field of metaverse and artificial intelligence technology. Strengthening and improving the IT infrastructures need more research to activate best metaverse hybrid experiences. In the age of metaverse, the architecture research needs new ethics. A future research is needed in the interactive technology system that enable artificial intelligence to control the shape of building skins, which is expected to achieve proper thermal comfort. Multidisciplinary research in the field of the metaverse, artificial intelligence, virtual reality, augmented reality is required to engage psychology and physiology, environmentalists, and computer programmers to work side by side with architects to produce a healthy, safe, mentally stable virtual experience for users. In the matter of practice, in the age of metaverse, architect role does not disappear, but it took distinctive characteristic. Clients now have the opportunity to perceive, choose, and decide all features of spaces in the virtual environment. Algorithm and digital factor are playing now the role of orchestra member, which determine many decisions. Mimicking styles of pioneers become available through artificial intelligence platform, which enables architects to reproduce same ethics notions. Architects, artists, interior designers, graphic designer, urban designer, and planner can easily host metaverse experience. In the architecture education matter, new competencies, art attributes, and professional skills should be added in the curriculum of architecture schools. Academic members are recommended to use metaverse as an added tool in the architecture design studio. It can be a supportive virtual channel connecting between instructor, jurors, students, and assistants together, which may revitalize the architectural education pedagogy. The virtual studio requires familiarity with the digital tools and skills necessary to virtual reality and metaverse application. Shifting to the immersive reality may help educating students to understand the value of their local heritage, accepting their diversity, and preserving their cultures. Decision makers institutes are recommended to adopt strategies and policies planned to develop IT infrastructure to allow more flexible metaverse communication with setting new forms and regulation and perceptions. To the international bodies that are responsible for developing digital technology, it's recommended to identify new relation between the creator of a virtual reality environment and the user, giving user tolerance and restriction in take certain design decisions. Thank you very much. Thank you, everyone. Professor Ibtihal Bastawisi, floor for you. The voice is closed.
You are muted.
Yeah. Hello again, everyone. Actually, no matter what I say or how much I thank all the group and this wonderful experience that we had and shared a lot of nice work, and really it has been a wonderful collaboration with ASCAAD, Dr. Sharif. I thank you very much again for that. And actually, I'm looking forward to do some more work with you, provided that we can receive you on campus. We have to work on that, yes, I know. Nice networking. I think I fully enjoyed these 2 days, and I'm eager to add them to the faculty values and experiences and collaborations. And actually, I'm grateful to not just my colleagues and all the assistance I got from them, and the whole faculty was working on that. But again, President as well gave us a good hand. And in all these circumstances that Lebanon is in, it was a pleasure always to work with colleagues of the domain who provided us with a lovely sponsorship. So that was a nice gest from all of them. I hope to see you again very soon, and I won't be long. Thank you again, and see you very soon, shortly. I'll be in Egypt very shortly, Dr. Sharif. Maybe I'll have the time to meet with you. This would
Definitely,
be
and we will work out something very soon, inshallah.
Thank you, inshallah. Thank you very much again for all of you. Thank you.
Dr. Mustafa Al-Ani?
Yes, yes.
No. So waiting for your final announcement.
Thank you very much. So we just wanted to highlight a few kind of the upcoming activities from the CAD sisters organizations. As you may know, ASCAAD is a part of a larger group of organizations and associations that focuses on the use of CAD and digital technologies in architecture. ACADIA being the kind of the focus on that kind of practice in North America, ACADI in Europe, SIGRADI in Latin America, and CADRI in Asia. And CAD Futures is kind of the global, have a global focus on that. So a few announcements from each one of these. So for ACADIA in 2022 will have its conference is actually very soon, which is going to be in October 27th to 29th this month, held in University of Pennsylvania in person. Unfortunately, of course, submission deadline passed, but you still can register and hopefully attend if you're interested. We have a message from them, a short video. Let me play that for you.
Hello, my name is Winke de Boeldam. I'm the chair of the Department of Architecture at the University of Pennsylvania's Weizmann School of Design. We are excited to be hosting this year's ACADIA conference and want to extend a warm welcome to you. UPenn historically has always sought to promote diverse and provocative design ideologies. Today, our diverse and international faculty are still doing cutting-edge research and teaching. This year's conference theme is Hybrids and Hague Cities. Whether you're a student, professional, faculty member, artist, or anyone who's interested in design and its impact on people and the environment, you're welcome, and we hope you will join us.
This year's conference is chaired by an amazing team of faculty from the University of Pennsylvania: Dorit Aviv, Masoud Akbarzadeh, Hina Jamel, and Robert Stewart Smith. The workshop chair is Andrew Saunders, and the media exhibitions chairs are Nate Hume and Ferda Colaton. The week begins with 14 in-person and online workshops that cover topics ranging from artificial intelligence and design to culturally responsive environments, digital workflows to robotic fabrication. The conference will feature keynote lectures and panels, the annual ACADIA Awards, and sessions of peer-reviewed papers, projects, and field notes. An exhibition of projects as well as work from Penn faculty will be on display during the conference. You can join us in person or on the live stream. And thank you to a generous donation by Autodesk, student live streaming is free. See you at Penn.
All right, moving on, the next event is going to be by SIGRADI, which is going to be held November 7th to 11th. In University UPC in Peru. This is the 26th International Conference of SIGRADI. Also, the deadline for submission passed, but also you can register for the conference using the following links. CADRIA is upcoming next year in March 18th to 24th, and it's going to be in Sept University in India. This is the 28th annual conference for CADRIA. Submission deadline unfortunately passed, but again, you can attend the conference if you are interested. CAD Futures also is going to be 5th to 7th next year in Delft University of Technology, Netherlands. Again, you can register to attend the conference. I have a short clip from them. Let's play. All right, moving on to ECAD, which is going to be next year in Graz University of Technology in Astoria between September 20th to 23rd. The submission is open. So if you are interested, you can submit a paper to the conference. The deadline is 15th of January next year. We strongly encourage you to attend the WordCAD PhD workshop, which is going to be held virtually between December 12th and December 14th this year. And it's a great venue to for PhD students to share their research and also to receive feedback from different schools and basically know more about the culture of research in different schools around the world. The link is here. If you're interested, you can attend this year, but we strongly encourage students to attend the conference and hopefully to the workshop and hopefully to submit to present their work during the upcoming next year workshop. The workshop previously held at Istanbul Technical University, the first one, and then last year is also held by, organized by SCAAD and held in Brazil, but also virtually. This is kind of workshop that is all CAD sibling organizations is participate and collaborate into making happen. So that's, I think, the last slide I have. Thank you very much. And we really wish to see you in upcoming ASCAAD events and the sisters organization. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Mustafa. So thank you all for your contribution. Thank you for all the participants and attendees. So,
okay, and now we come to the end. We say see you very soon and no goodbyes. And it has been wonderful to work together and really to collaborate this work. It has been almost a year, and over this past 4 days, it has been quite intensive work, but I think we succeeded in doing it. So thank you again and see you very soon. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Dr. Tehel. It was really a pleasure, and you really made things seem very easy and smooth. And that's really everything went smoothly. Thank you very much for you and the whole team behind this, and all the faculty and the students and the staff and the assistants. We know how hard it is for a host, so you really made everything go smoothly, and we really look forward to collaboration in the future in any kind of collaborative events. And thank you for contributing to ASCAAD, and of course it won't be the last time. And for everybody, really thank you for being here, and for all the authors and for your hard work and amazing innovative ideas, and all the presenters, all the workshop moderators, fantastic work actually, and leading and pioneering actually. And that's the whole objective, is to really lead in this part of the world, and with our own flavor and culture and everything. So thank you once again, and hopefully we will announce soon ASCAAD 2023. So we didn't include in the presentation, but it will be a surprise, inshallah. Thank you so much.
Inshallah, and have a nice week, and all of you, right? See you then.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you very much.
Bye. You're welcome.